How's it going? My name is Brad with Green Fox Air Quality, and this is Luke. And today we are going to be doing a residential duct cleaning. So Luke is going to take you through and tell you exactly what we're going to be doing.
So our first step with any duct cleaning, residential, commercial, whatever it may be, is we establish floor protection and put down drop cloths so that any dust or particulates disturbed by removing ceiling vents is caught and it doesn't damage the homeowner's property. Second step is we're gonna actually remove the vents from the ceiling, just usually 2 screws. We take them down, bring them outside, clean them with soap. So we use a dish detergent to wipe off and clean the vents. After the vents are cleaned, usually 2 other guys are gonna jump up and vacuum the cans, which is the box that is hidden from view by the vent. We're gonna clean those off with a HEPA vacuum and get any dust, debris, or microbial growth that is on those. After we vacuum the cans, our next step is gonna be whipping. So it's about a 20-foot long whip with a brush head on the top, and that allows us we can actually put it through the entirety of the duct so it can clean the insides of the duct that we wouldn't be able to get to any other way. After whipping, we usually 5 to 10 minutes, we turn the air conditioner back on, which we call our blowout. And what this does is any particulates or any dust that is still left in the duct system, it's blown out by the AC, so there's nothing left in there by the time we go to our next step. Which leads me to our next step, which is encapsulating. We use a IQ 8000 is our product that we use. We apply with a paint sprayer, and this just relines the ducts and kills any mold or microbial growth that may be left behind.
So we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you step by step exactly what we're doing. So come on.
So as you can see, we have here JC and Jake are putting down floor protection, sticky carpet protection, and plastic over bedding and furniture, just so we don't get any dust from the vents, from the AC system down on their stuff. What we have Bryce doing right now is he's removing ceiling vents. After he removes them, we're going to take them outside and wash them off.
So right now I'm cleaning these vents with soap that it basically gives it a rinse through and it protects the paint. And I'm basically scrubbing down the vents, getting any mold or dust or insulation that could be stuck around it off, and basically just cleaning them so that it's ready to put back up. This one's clean.
So what Jake here is doing is he's HEPA vacuuming the inside of the cans. What this will do is remove any dust, debris, or microbial growth on the surface of those cans and inside of the flex duct. So JC is up in the attic right now. He's finding all the splitter boxes, which basically are like a junction box. You know, we can put 1 duct of supply air into those and have them feed 3 vents, that cold conditioned air. So he's finding all the splitter boxes so that we can cut them open and clean them.
So I just cut into the splitter box, which Luke briefly explained to you was a connection between multiple air ducts, and it allows from the air handler to travel to this central system and then disperse to individual vents. And opening this one up, we can see that it is quite a microbial party going on down there. This really is a nice attic. Honestly, it's a pleasure working with this.
So our next step is to bag off the blower wheel here. And the reason we do this is because it keeps air from going in or out of the supply side of the air handler, which allows us to hook up our duct cleaning machine either to the plenum here or a vent and get a good vacuum, a good suction, so that when we whip out the ducts, all the particles, all the surface growth will suck into our negative machine instead of remaining in the duct system. This is the duct cleaning machine that we use for negative air. We're hooking it up right now. We have it hooked into the return plenum, as you can see right there, and it's gonna pull all the dust out of the duct system and into this machine as we whip the returns. All right, so our next step is to whip the ducts. This is our whip. We use this drill and it spins this brush head as we push it back and forth along the inside of the ducts. This allows us to get the inside of the ducts to a place where we wouldn't be able to reach otherwise. All right, now that we've whipped, our next step is encapsulation. We use right here the HVAC 8000. We apply with a paint sprayer. What we do is we shoot up and spray the cans as well as the inside of the flex duct. All right, that completes the duct cleaning. We have Bryce finishing putting up grill there. That's our last return grill. All that's left is for us to clean everything up and get out of here. All right, we're done with our duct cleaning, and this is what the final product looks like after encapsulation. Now we're gonna clean up and head out. Green Fox out. Like and subscribe.